The workspace is where people come to make a living, but also to be part of something more and belong, to create and make a change. This is where we come to grow, to learn, get challenged, and have fun. Hang out, meet friends, and shape the big ideas of tomorrow. This is where people fall in love, lives change, and magic happens. We have been part of people's daily lives for almost 50 years, founded in an area of Sweden known for entrepreneurship and working together. Rooted in Scandinavian design, we create sustainable, smart working environments and solutions for offices, warehouses, industries, workshops, schools, and public spaces. We make the everyday easier. We make it friction-free. This means that on any given day, millions of people in 19 countries rely on us when they teach, learn, pack, travel, heal, and play. We're proud of our contribution and determined to continue our journey together with our customers to shape an even better workplace. But the world as we know it is changing. Digitalization is happening all over and technology is reshaping society. New generations enter the workforce with new demands. Our perception of what we do in a workspace is changing. We strive for availability. Recent events have shown us that things can change literally overnight. The climate is changing, pandemics, energy crisis, inflation, and war. This means that we must constantly adapt, embrace change, seize the opportunities, and take on the challenges. Be on our toes and always stay true to our values of being responsive, knowledgeable, engaged, and genuine. Stay focused on our strategy to be customer-centric, operating with excellence, and be sustainable and digital to the core, so that millions of people can continue to make a living, to be part of something more, to create, to make a change, to be their best, grow, learn, feel good, have fun, and to make magic. This is what we do. We are AJ.